So, Hugh, I heard you found some problems with the well here.
Yes, we did. A couple of issues here. Number one, this well is actually in a pit. It is a drilled well. We do not know yet exactly how deep it actually is.
Okay, well, what are some of the issues caused by having a well like that?
The main issue is a surface influence, so basically lay of the land, the well pit itself physically filling up, and if there's not a proper well seal on that, basically we're getting water in from the top of the well.
And then it affects your water, obviously, because you're getting earth, you're getting bugs, you're getting debris in your water.
We could have pesticides, we could have E. coli if you have animals around the property and stuff like that. We're going to raise this casing up above grade so there's no potential of surface influence into this actual well.
So we're going to have a pump here. It's going to pump it back into the house. Now, where in the house?
It's going to be over in the far corner of the house.
Yeah.
We're going to have a pressure tank there. From there, we're going to send it through some treatment equipment.
Filters.
Filtration. So we're going to basically get rid of the there's a rancid smell in the water here.
Yes, there is.
We do have some iron here.
Yeah.
We do also have some hardness issues. So we're going to deal with those issues, and also we're going to deal with bacteriological, which is E. coli, coliform.
Which could actually make you very, very sick.
That is correct. Once it's left our treatment equipment, it will be safe and potable to drink.
So you mean they could actually lose the bottled water and maybe drink their own water for a change?
That is correct. The other thing which we're actually also going to be doing is we're putting in a reverse osmosis system so they can virtually lose all their bottles. There's no more lugging bottles.
They will be very happy. Yeah. I can guarantee they'll be very happy. So, this is the filtration system. You want to explain it a little bit for me?
We're going to start holding fresh here.
Right.
We're going to put a precipitator tank right here.
Precipitation tank?
Yes.
Is that what it's called? And what does that do?
That will oxidize the iron. There's a bit of iron in the water, so you have to put air into the system to oxidize the iron. That's the only way that this system will be able to filter it. So once the iron gets filtered out of it, it will flow through here. It'll come in. It'll go through a pre-filter. From the pre-filter, it'll go into the softener tank. Takes all your hardness and calcium and all that out of the water.
So it's going through almost 3 filtration systems.
Basically, yeah. The iron, then like a sediment filter, and then it goes through your softening filter.
Wow. So by the time it gets into the house, this water is so clean.
It's in there 100%. Now after it goes through the softener, I haven't installed it yet, but there will be a UV, an ultraviolet light system. Yeah. And that will take care of everything.
It's amazing because I never thought of water that way. I take city water for granted, right?
A lot of people.
I haven't lived rural in a long time, so I never even when I lived in the country, I never thought of well water being contaminated. No. You're thinking well water, it's coming from way down below, it's not contaminated.
That's right, yeah.
You're getting it spring fed, it's the cleanest water you can almost drink, right?
Almost, but not quite.
Very interesting.
Once we're completed here, basically what you're going to see is the hole itself will be all be filled in. The only thing that you're going to see left is basically this steel casing here with a vermin-proof cap. And that's the finished product.